The number of people heading out to Boxing Day sales rose by almost 40% compared to the previous year. However, footfall remains far below levels seen before the pandemic. Springboard, which provides real-time shopping insights for businesses, says that COVID was a key reason for a bounce back from 2021 when the Omicron variant was spreading and some restrictions were still in place. But numbers are still sharply below 2019 and people are expected to spend less due to the higher cost of living. As the Bank of England sharply increases the interest rates to ward off spending within the economy, it looks like things are beginning to slow down. In order to combat inflation, the high consumer spending must come down to manageable levels or prices will keep going up. Footfall is down almost 20% compared with Boxing Day 3 years ago before COVID struck. But the rise on last year's figures comes in line with the first Christmas without any formal COVID-19 restrictions and in spite of the massive series of rail strikes. Shopping numbers this year may have been boosted by the fact that Boxing Day last year fell on a Sunday when many stores decided to stay closed or had reduced trading hours. This data would normally be encouraging for retailers, but the rising cost of living is clearly having its impact. The public is in the midst of a major inflation-linked cost of living crisis where millions have to hold back on non-essential spending in order to focus on essentials such as food and heating. Despite the ongoing rail strikes during the Christmas period, footfall in central London, which has been the hardest hit of any location due to the travel disruption, showed the sharpest increase in footfall for any area across the United Kingdom. It rose by more than 139% compared to the same time last year. However, separate research suggests that shoppers may be intending to spend less this year. Barclaycard predicts that the average person is set to spend £229 in the post-Christmas sales, £18 less than last year. In a survey of 2,000 would-be shoppers, Barclaycard found that 42% said the higher cost of living would temper spending in the post-Christmas sales, with many of those saying that they would spend less compared to previous years. The rate of price rises known as inflation hit 10.7% in November, which was lower than October but still at the highest for 40 years. As we move into the new year, consumers are expected to be more cautious as heating bills increase, which will have a further negative effect on their discretionary spending. The rising cost of living and inflationary pressures have naturally had an impact on the amount being spent in the post-Christmas sales this year, signalling to the Bank of England that their interest plan is working. Retailers know that this year people will be making the most out of discounts because of the cost of living crisis. For this reason, many retailers have had to resort to steep discounts, something which does ease the inflationary pressures seen throughout the whole of 2022. Many people, especially teenagers and young adults, will have received cash or gift vouchers and may look to spend this on sales following Christmas. With the end of the year coming soon and the outlook on the next year looking bleak, will inflation peak and will the stock market make up for some of its losses in 2022? We can only sit down and find out. Merry Christmas to everyone and a Happy New Year to everyone watching.